Well guys, been a little while since I made a video. Been doing some drone videos. It's out here flying right now. Kind of humid, but it ain't. It's tolerable. It's just sweat a little bit, but there's my drone. A Hollystone HS-175D GPS drone. Weighs less than 250 grams. I think it weighs in at about 213, 214. Not a bad unit. This is my controller and setup. Got an 8-inch tablet. Had to buy that because my phone does not support 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. Only 2.4, and that's a brand new drone that they just came out with, and it does 5 gigahertz. So I had to go buy that. A little peed off about that. About an extra $100. And then the adapter to put it on the remote. But it is nice having that bigger screen. So here at High Falls, one of the boat landings. Nice views, nice and quiet. It's Thursday before the weekend, before all the tourists come up. It's pretty nice. You know, someone made a nice bench here to sit on. It's a nice boat landing. I mean, primitive. You can only launch smaller boats from here. It's not that deep right here. But that's probably a good thing. Figured I'd just do a little update, little video. Been getting used to that drone. You know, sometimes it works good, sometimes it doesn't. Like I was just over here, on the other side there of this bay, and it's right down the road, and I couldn't get a good GPS signal. The drone was acting all funny, so I came down here, and it's fine. I get 3 out of 4 bars for GPS signal. One of the few places I like to go out here is this landing, or that landing one. It's just a nice area. It's always quiet except for weekends. A lot of hawks, bald eagles, swans. Someone reported they seen a couple swans out here. I haven't seen them yet. But you get great blue herons. Those are cool to see. Bugs ain't bad at all because there's a lot of dragonflies around here, so I'm sure that's keeping down the mosquitoes and horseflies. I haven't seen one horsefly or deer fly, whatever. I always wonder what that noise is with these lily pads. They're always snapping. I don't know if that's bugs hitting the water or if that's frogs jumping or what. I mean, I don't see nothing. Just seen a little fish there, I think. Maybe that was a frog. Never fished this area. Should have brought my fishing pole. Probably could slay some good panfish right here. We had a pretty good rain storm coming last night, but it stayed mostly south of us. got like 2 to 4 inches down in Milwaukee. I think we got maybe 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch of rain up here, which is still nice. Definitely don't have to water the garden. Buddy said he was out here. Wonder if he'll come this way. I doubt it because this landing's kind of crap for bigger boats. A lot of stumps, old trees in here. This used to be land. A long time ago, all this used to be land. It was only the Peshko River that ran out in the center. And of course they dammed it up and flooded it. You know, it's a shame I can't metal detect here. This is state forest property. And in Wisconsin, they say no. No metal detecting. Like to get out on some of these islands, I guarantee there's some artifacts out there from Indians. Take a little walk over here. See, you got pretty good rain to come down there. Boy, that sun hits you, it's hot. Here they got this sign, you know, pack it in, pack it out. Of course, people don't listen. I'm pretty sure you got that everywhere you go. I think up here is a little canoe portage. I think. I don't know why they cut this right here. Maybe for one vehicle? I don't know. It's got to be that. Getting these pines, I hear the dang horse, deer flies, whatever they are, buzzing my head. Yeah, pretty much what it is down here, a little canoe portage. Nice to have. Some of the boat landings are real nice. Those are the ones that get really packed. They have actual boat ramps and docks. A lot of ferns. I don't know what kind, but nice looking. I don't think I want to touch that. I was out here once toward the evening and just sitting here, no one here like right now. Just enjoying the nature. turn around, there's like about 5 or 6 deer just standing in the middle there, eating on some grass, watching me. Didn't even hear them. Imagine that. Wish it was deer hunting season. I would have harvested one of those. That is something I've been doing lately. Last few years I've been hunting. I go to the boat landings here. It is legal to hunt out of them. Nobody really comes around, you know, in winter time. And there's a lot of forest around this, and you know, a lot of places that people hunt, they just scare them right out. And where do they go? They go to the boat landings. My theory, anyway. But I guess I'm gonna go. That's all I'm doing. Maybe I'll have a video up, maybe not. I just tested it. Made a small little video of as I put an SD card in the drone. And the software for this thing, the app, you know, when I'm recording, it records your voice from my tablet, but it's kind of glitchy and messes up. There's nothing I can do about that. But we'll see if it's any better with the SD card. So it records right to the app. I don't need an SD card. It goes right in, records to the app right under the tablet. But you put an SD card in, it's supposed to record to that and the tablet. But I guess I'll leave you guys with this scenery, and I'm gonna go.